In previous video, I have taught you big frank. In today's video, our next topic is family plus 10 plus family plus. So now let's begin. Okay. Now what is meaning of family plus? Let's see its tutorial. Okay. When performing addition, okay, when performing addition, always finish moving beads on the current rod before dealing with any carry to the tens rod or rod to left. When there are not enough beads to add or move up, we need to use one of our formulas to help. In this tutorial, we introduce family. Okay. Now there are total many types of families. For example, this 10th family, left 1/10 family, right 1/10 family, left 1/10 family, and next one. So note it. In my next video, I will show you some PDF. In this only I will explain. Okay. 10th franc is 9. It introduce its 1. Then 5 it's introduce 1 to equal to its 4 franc. It is called a combination of 9. There are total 4 combinations because 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But these francs only introduce 4. So we will only learn 4. The next combination of R is 10, 5. It is 10 franc introduced 2, and in 5 it introduced 2 to make 3. It is combination of 8. Combination of 8. Then next is 10 down by 7 down by 5. It introduced 3 in between. Then 5 introduced 2. And then last family is combination of, this combination is 7. The next family is 6th combination family. In this family, no difference, same. 10th is there. It introduced 6 to make 4, and 5 introduced 4 to make 1. Easy. Now next, for example, we are adding 9 to and do not have enough bead. We use the big franc formula. Okay. Easy. So bye. Now we will see its examples. First is add 9. 1 franc is 9 franc is 4. In this family, you can see we use 4. So how to do 5 plus 9? It is a formula. First we have to up 4 down 5 is equal to 1. Down 1. Okay. Then up 10 is equal to 14. Easy. Then next is add 8. Plus 8 is equal to minus 3 plus 3 minus 5 plus 10. For example, 5 plus 8. First we have to up 3 down 5. It is equal to down 2. Then we have to up 10 as the francs is equal to 13. The next is add 7. 17 plus 7. First we have to up 2 down 5 down 3, then up 10, then up 10 is equal to 24. E.g. The next is add 6. Plus 6 is equal to plus 1 minus 5 plus 10. Okay. Now next of R is family minus. Family plus sums we are doing now. 5 plus 9 plus 10 minus 1 plus 5, 19. Next is 20 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 minus 2. Easy. Then next we do 15 plus 7 plus 10 minus 3 means up 2. Then plus 6. E.g. Then next 7 plus 6 plus 10 minus 4. Then plus 1, 14. E.g. Now next is family minus. Tutorial. It is also same. It is same. It will not repeat. It will repeat. When performing subtraction, always borrow from the tens rod or the rod on the left. Before finishing moving beads on the current rod, when there are not enough beads to add or move up, we need to use one of the formulas to help. In this, we introduce family. For example, when we are subtracting 9 and do not have enough beads, we use big franc formula. To borrow or move down 10 or in next rod, move up, use another formula called little franc by moving up 5 and down little franc of 1, which is 4. Then now minus 9. 14 minus 9 is easy, very easy. First we have to do down 10. For example, when we are doing in this box, we have to carry. It is also like this. then down 10, then up 5, down 4, up 1 is equal to 5. Easy. Then next is minus 8 is equal to minus 10 plus 5 minus 3. 24 minus 8. For example, down 10, up 5, down 3, up 2 is equal to 16. The last is 12 minus 7, down 10, up 5, down 2, up 3, 5. Then 23 minus 6. How to do? First, down 10, then up 5, down 1, up 4 is equal to 17. Easy. Bye. Now you have I know you understand. Tomorrow's topic is fingers. Bye.